Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good evening. Okay, my name is Norazita Binti Mansur from Polytechnic Oklahoma. I would like to present my project entitled Students Academic Performance Model using Machine Learning Approach. Okay, as for introduction from UNESCO 2016, they said that educational goals are primarily set out in the fourth categories of the 2030, the aim of sustainable growth. Agenda aim at ensure inclusive and sustainable standard of education and encourage lifetime learning opportunities for everyone by 2030. Okay, from AU Hazana et al. 2017, therefore, as academics, we ought to understand how our information area and the practices of adult educators can be utilized to teach and enhance student performance. Expanding student learning performance efficiency is the primary objective of all education organizations. From S. Hussein et al. 2018, despite the provision of high-quality education, prediction, and review of student performance, the two critical tasks to do in educational institution to increase consistency and support students in their studies to attain successful results. Okay, this is the problem statement, and we come out with three objectives. Okay, the problem statement, the first problem statement, the study will lead to students dropping out of a class of students that could have performed well if sufficient beneficial actions have been taken early enough. So we come up with first objectives to identify a highly influencing predictive attributes on the student's academic performance. Okay, from second problem statement, despite providing high quality education, the demand to predict student academic performance is becoming more crucial to improve quality in education. The lack of a well-established model of competitiveness and predictability is one of the key problems. So we come up with second objectives. To analyze classification algorithms can be applied in predicting students' academic performance. Okay, from third problem statement, the prediction models that could be built in the earlier stages will be useful in mitigating future errors and help educational planners plan and improve pedagogical intervention system, often referred to as early alert devices. So third objectives are to evaluate the most suitable and most accurate classification algorithm in predicting student academic performance. Okay, this is the literature review. Okay, from the first one, the data consisted of 104 students' data from 2007 with 12 attributes, including gender and origin in personal background, educational background, characteristics of pre-university and university. In relevance to current research, the study is able to facilitate a researcher to examine other potential variables that can make impact to the students. Okay, from second literature review, the study proposed to agglomerate the application of clustering algorithms to educational data. In relevance to my research, the researchers suggest to review on other algorithms to define pattern in each dataset in its usability of EDM context, which is classification model. Okay, the third literature review, it is found in this study by A15 et al. That non-Bayes classification techniques present the highest accuracy rate. In relevance to current research, this paper proposes a variety of data mining algorithms which include logistic regression, Bayes, random forest, KNN, and neural network to ensure the superlative accuracy of the prediction. Okay, next, our methodology. This is the research design. For the purpose of conducting the experiments design, quantitative simulation analysis approaches were performed as suggested in the CRIPS DM. framework. CRIPS-DM breaks down the development cycle of data mining project into 4 stages, which is data understanding, data preparation, data modeling, and data evaluation. Okay, for data collection, we gathered the data sets from UCI, Machine Learning Repository, titled Student Performance Data Sets, which consists of 1,044 of student instances with 33 attributes. And then the data are processing using Python. Okay, this is what we done in data preparation. Okay, the first step, we remove missing values, data transformation, and discard irrelevant data. Then we can better understand the characteristic of the cleaned students' academic dataset through visualization methods. Okay, then the researcher uses label encoding, which converts all categorical characteristics in the data sets into integers, which can be read by machine learning format. Okay, then feature selection using select k-best method to determine which a subset of feature works best for predicting the dependent variables. Okay, for data modeling, Python is used to classify and analyze data prepared as it contains a collection of different data mining algorithms, which is random forest, neural network, KNN, Bayes, and logistic regression. All the development and testing of the classification model will follow the data mining process to ensure the superlative accuracy of the prediction. Okay, for data evaluation, um, the study deal with binary classification where the students' performance are measured by GPA, which is grade point average, with a specific indication as follows. Okay, this is the results of our studies. Okay, the best attribute from the table we can see here. G3 first period grade, G2 second period grade, G1 final grade plays a significant position in predicting GPA obtained by the student, followed by absences, failures, mother's education, and father's education. We can see from the scores. Okay, this match with this is proven proof to our objective number 1, which is this research shows that eight significant variables plays a significant position in predicting grade point average GPA obtained by the student. Only these 8 significant factors were chosen to be included in the student's academic performance model to meet the first objectives. Okay, the classification algorithm performance, as we can see from the table, okay, the accuracy from each of 5 classification algorithm. Okay, this research shows the results of each classification algorithm's accuracy in predicting students' academic performance to match the objective number 2. Okay, and this research shows that the logistic regression outperformed the other machine learning models in the data, answering the third objective, which classification algorithms are suitable for developing a model of predicting students' academic performance. Okay, as for conclusion, data mining is an assessment tool which can help researchers to observe students' academic performance. It is used by extracting a vast volume of data from significant worthwhile information. EDM has recently been commonly used in the world of education. The main objective of this research is to predict the academic success of students and to improve student modeling based on selected input variables gathered via the system of the questionnaire. Predicting students' performance allows instructional managers and decision makers to efficiently make an instructional strategy and encourage the educational organization to increase system performance. Good input data and variables and adequate predictive method as well as an efficient and stable predictive model are needed for harvesting a successful predicting model. In future research, the predictive model will assist the lecturer to predict the course completion, including the student's GPA in upcoming semester. Okay, the research can be further expanded to study the output of other algorithms with a wider sample data collection, and to obtain more comprehensive performance, various data mining strategies can be applied to an expanded data set with more distinct attributes in the future work. If the results are substantially different, the analysis may be extended to provide t-test validation for accuracy comparison. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you.